Hey guys, so in today's video, I'll be unboxing my free baby box that I received from Walmart, and I'll also give you some details on how you can receive a free baby box as well. So let's jump into this video. So first things first, you want to create a baby registry at walmart.com. Once you create your baby registry, you'll also be provided a link. I'll provide that link in the description box. You'll enter your Walmart baby registry URL into that link and fill out a couple of questions, your name, your address, and you should be receiving your baby box within like a week or two. When I first did the registry, I was told that I would receive it within like a month, but it came absolutely quicker than that. It was really, really quick and easy to do. So let's jump into what's in the baby box. So this is how the baby box comes. It's a knock knock, who's there? I think this is just a cute design. So let's open it. Okay. So the first thing that's in the box is these Huggies special delivery diapers. This is a size 1 and it comes with 3 in a pack. I believe this is new for Huggies. I don't remember having this particular brand, the special delivery brand, with my firstborn, and she's 5. So I think this is pretty new for them. They're perfect diapers. It's free of parabens, fragrance, and also chlorine free as well, chlorine elements as well. And it features stylish designs, and it's their best combination of softness and performance. So I can't wait to give these a try. Next up in our box, we have this Zarbee's Naturals Baby Gret Water. I've never used Gret Water before, but I'm here to help ease occasional gas and stomach discomfort. I'll open it for you guys as well. It comes with a measuring utensil and then the product itself. It has ginger, fennel, chamomile, and lemon balm. I've never used it before, but if I feel like I need to, if I feel like this baby will have some stomach discomfort, then I will definitely go for this. So this is the Zarbee's Natural Baby Gret Water. Next up in the box, we have the Johnson's Cotton Touch Newborn Face and Body Lotion. It is ultralight and breathable, absorbs quickly and leaves no residue, and also has no parabens, phthalates, or dyes. I didn't smell this yet. It still has the safety seal on it, so I just want to see how it smells. For most newborns, they have very sensitive skin, so the fact that it doesn't have any dyes is really good. It does have, let's see, I think it has a scent to it though. Let's see. Yeah, definitely it's scented. And with newborns, their skin is so sensitive, so you just never know like if their skin is going to react different to this. But it does smell good. It's worth giving it a try, and I can't wait. Next up, Johnson & Johnson product is the Johnson's Cotton Touch. Now this is the newborn wash and shampoo. And again, like the lotion, it is free of parabens, sulfates, and dyes as well. And I'm pretty sure it has the same scent as the lotion because it's the same Cotton Touch brand. Okay, can't wait to give this a try as well. Okay, so when I first received this box, I was like, oh my goodness, there are so many pacifiers in here. I wanted to call this box like the pacifier box, because I received 3 different types of pacifiers. So the first one I'll go into is the Mam, M-A-M pacifier. This is the newborn one. My daughter, she liked the Mam products, like out of anything else. It was the bottles, it was the pacifiers. She really liked these, and that's what we stuck throughout her whole infancy. This is the extra small and light. It's orthodontic and it soothes and comforts the baby, and it's BPA free. So this is that shape. this is how that looks. So that's the first pacifier. The next pacifier is from the Tommee Tippee brand. I've never used Tommee Tippee, but I heard it's a really good brand. This one is the 0 to 6 months, and it's the nighttime pacifier. And what I like about it is that it glows in the dark. That's so cute to me. It's symmetrical designs to help to support oral development. So I guess their shape is more like for like the nipple, I want to say. And it's proven to help babies sleep. So we'll give it a try. I never used Tommee Tippee products before, but I don't have any problem with using it now. So we will give this a try as well. And last but not least, when it comes to pacifiers, is this Evenflo Balance Pacifier. Now, what's really cool about this pacifier is that this particular container is also used to, this particular bag is also used to sanitize the pacifier as well. And you can sanitize your pacifier up to 5 times, which I think is really, really cool. What you would do is, I want to say, you add water to it. I've never used it before. I've never seen this before, so this is new for me as well. It's proven to help reduce SIDS, and it has flexibility for soft texture, helps reduce mouth fatigue. And I guess this is supposed to be the perfect shape for it, the cylinder shape. Kind of similar to the Tommee Tippee, but this one is a little bit wider. This is slimmer. But I think this is very, very nice. So I can't wait to try this out as well. And if I don't try it out, I'll just give it to somebody who, may need it. Okay? All right, let's move on. So I opened this already, and this is the Milestone baby cards. So it comes with, so it says, remember each moment with this keepsake card set. I did have something like this with my daughter, and it came in pretty handy. I thought it was really, really cute. So what I like about these cards is that on the back of each month, it gives you recommendations as to what you can buy for your baby. So for the 1-month-old, it has this Owlet Smart Sock and Cam bundle. I actually seen a lot of commercials about that, so I thought that was really cute and neat. On the 2nd month, it just gives you like the nursing the Bobby pillow. So I think that's a really, really good idea, because with pregnancy you tend to forget, you may be a first-time mom and you might not know what should I buy. So I think this is a really good idea, and it's really, really helpful. Last but not least, with this card, so it goes up to 12 months, right? But then there's a few extra cards, and it just tells you things that that your baby may have done today, which is also a milestone. So I walked today. So if your baby, I know my daughter, she walked at 9 months. So if you take a picture, you can hold up the 9-month card. You can hold up the 9-month card, and also also take a picture with this card as well. I walked today, I crawled today, I stood up today, and today you could just fill in the blank of what your baby did. Maybe I smiled or I laughed. So I think that's really, really neat, which I like the keepsake card set. So moving on, we have this sample of the massage lotion from Palmer's, the cocoa butter formula. I've never had stretch marks before, not even with this current pregnancy. For me, I think that stretch marks probably are genetic. Mind you, I delivered, my baby was 9 pounds, 5 ounces, and I haven't received 1 stretch mark. So I think it does have a lot to do with genetics, and I've never used like a stretch mark cream for it as well. But this is nice to have. Someone said it's amazing is all I can say, so let's just go with that. It's amazing. I've never used it. Do I plan to? I don't know. So that's that. So that is the end of the samples that I was given in this box. Next up is they have these three pamphlets. This is the stroller and car seat buying guide. It just gives you ideas on what you can buy for your newborn, booster seat, car seat, travel system. So I think that was pretty neat too. Especially if you're a first-time mom and you really don't know what to get for your baby. This comes in handy as well. And this is another advertisement of the Palmer's lotion, stretch mark lotion. And last but not least is a pamphlet, is a brochure, not a brochure, is a card about the Medela breast pump tote bag. And on the back of it is the breast milk storage solution. I do have a free breast pump. It's not the Medela brand. I think I'll show you guys that in another video, but I did use this breast pump with my first daughter, so, and it works really, really good. It works really, really good. So I have nothing but good things to say about the Medela breast pump. Okay, so that is the end of my baby box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, 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 if it is a free box, I hope all moms out there get a box. Your box may be different. You may see a video where somebody has something different from you. Not all boxes are the same. The majority of them are, but not all of them. So don't be surprised if you see that somebody received something and you didn't receive that, because not all the boxes are the same. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I hope it makes you want to sign up for a free box as well. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.